Hello friends, my name is Ankush Sir. I am CEO and founder of Learnomate Technologies. Today with me, Rupali is there. She is my Oracle DBA student. And we are doing these mock interviews related to the Oracle DBA from last 1 year. Like you might have seen a lot of videos which are available on our YouTube channel. But recently we started with the mock interviews with our student also. So main reason to talk about this mock interview is like those people who want to start their career into the Oracle DBA. This mock interview play a very important role to crack the interview. So my student will get to know about what all questions will be asked in the interview and how you can talk about the answer of that question. So yes, we have a Rupali here. We'll try to understand about how much she is comfortable with the Oracle DBA concept. Rupali, so can you talk about your roles and responsibility, or what all things you know about the Oracle DBA?
First of all, we need to check the alert log file, then monitoring the alert log file and create the user.
Okay.
And then give the privileges
To the user.
And permission to the users.
Okay.
And then we can check the alert log file, and 24/7 support is available.
Okay.
And then we can take the backup. Daily is incremental backup, and weekly full database backup.
Okay. So what type of privileges you are giving it to the user? Do you have any idea?
Yes. There are two types of the privileges. First is the system privileges, and second is the object privileges.
Object privileges. So let's consider a situation that we have a table, and on that table I need to give select level permissions. So whether it is coming under system level permissions or object level permissions?
System level.
It is a object level permissions, because system level permissions means, let's say you are giving select any table, means he can give access of select to all the tables. That is like a system level permissions. But when you are giving it to the specific object, like let's say I have a EMP table, and in that EMP table only I need to give select level permissions. So that is a object level permissions. Okay, you were talking about the backup. So what are all backups are there? Like, can you talk about that?
There are two types of the backup: hot backup and cold backup.
Okay.
And hot backup means we take the backup where the database is up and running, and this is called online backup also.
Acha.
And cold backup is a offline backup. And when our database is down, we can take the backup. It's called.
So which backup you will prefer to take?
Hot backup.
Hot backup. Yes. Now let's say I want to take the backup of data files. So what utility you are going to use?
We take the using the 𝐼𝐸 utility.
𝐼𝐸 utility.
Yes.
Okay. So if you are taking the backup by using 𝐼𝐸, your database should be in 𝐟𝐤𝐺 mode or no 𝐟𝐤𝐺 mode?
𝐼𝐤𝐺 mode.
𝐟𝐤𝐺 mode. Can you tell me the steps how you can put your database into the 𝐟𝐤𝐺 mode?
Yes. First of all, we check the our database is 𝐼𝐤𝐺 mode or
not. Okay.
𝐼𝐤𝐺 mode. First of all, fire the command 𝐼𝐤𝐺 list.
Okay.
And then we check, and then our database is a mount state.
So you need to do this activity when your database is running, or you need to put database in mount stage?
Mount stage.
Acha, mount stage. Acha.
We fire the command startup mount, and then alter database.
So you are going to run that command?
Yes. But first of need a destination also. Alter system set log archive 1 location equal to whatever you want. You take the location, and then scope equal to both.
Acha.
And then alter system archive log, and then alter database open.
Okay.
That's it.
So what you can say in the interview, like whenever you are changing the log mode, like from no 𝐼𝐤𝐺 to the 𝐼𝐤𝐺 or vice versa, this is not online activity. You need to take the approval from your client. Okay. So first of all, you need to take the approval from client. If your database is running, then you can set the 𝐼𝐤𝐺 destination. Like let's say I want to set my 𝐼𝐤𝐺 destination where my 𝐼𝐤𝐺s are going to be generated. So you need to set that. Then shut down the database, start the database into the mount stage, and then put the database into the 𝐼𝐤𝐺 mode by using alter database 𝐼𝐤𝐺, and then open the database. So this is the way you need to explain how to put a database from no 𝐼𝐴 to 𝐼𝐴. Again, keep it in your mind that this is not a online activity. Okay. Now, let's say I want to take the backup of table. I have a EMP table, which is very, very important, and application team, they want to do some testing. But before that, they ask you to take the backup. So how are you going to take the backup of EMP table?
Yes, there is a XPDP data pump is available.
Data pump utility you are going to use. That's correct.
EXPDP.
EXPDP.
Yes, what take you backup name of the table?
So tables equals to
Yes,
table name. Okay.
Table name. And first of all, we need to create the directory.
Acha. Directory. What is directory?
Create directory mkdir-p and location of the directory.
So what is going to be stored under that directory?
Location of the directory.
Acha. So we created a directory.
Yes, yes.
What is that directory? What does it do?
Directory store the
Backup.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then.
Then export Oracle underscore PDB equal to SID equal to PDB prime.
Acha. No. So let's do it from the very beginning.
Yes.
EXPDP is the command to take the backup.
Yes.
Then tables equals to table
Yes.
name. Okay. Then after
Then
that directory name.
and
Then
dump file.
What is dump file?
Dump file is store the where the our backup is stored.
No, that is a directory, na?
Sorry,
Directory is a location where your backup is going to be stored. What is dump file?
Dump file information. Sorry.
Dump file is the name of backup.
Okay.
Backup. Let's say my dump file name is emp.dmp. So that is a backup file name,
Okay, file name.
right? And where that backup file will be stored?
Directory.
Under the directory. Okay. After that?
Log file and log file.
Log file and log file name. Okay. So this way you can take the backup. Acha. After that, let's take an example of Oracle architecture. Okay. Can you tell me the component which are available in Oracle architecture? In Oracle architecture, do you remember that diagram?
Yes.
Huh?
There are two types. First of memory.
Acha, in the memory, what are the components are there?
SGA.
SGA. So the big box is?
Yes. Library cache.
Library cache. Shared pool.
Data dictionary cache.
Data dictionary cache.
Data buffer cache.
Data buffer cache.
Redo log buffer.
Redo log buffer. Okay. Then? Acha. In the bottom, like the downside, storage level. What are the files are there?
Password file.
Password file.
Parameter file. Control file. Redo logs.
Redo logs.
Exactly.
𝐼𝐴 logs files are there. So see, when like someone is asking about the architecture now, you should definitely remember about each and every component. Okay. So you can start from your instance level. Like, we have a database instance. Under the database instance, which is a combination of SGA plus background processes are also there. So what are the background processes are there? Like you have, what are the background processes are there? Yesmon, pmon, log writer, db writer, checkpoint is there, right? So these are the background processes are there. So on the top level, what we have? Shared pool. Under the SGA, right?
Yes.
Under the SGA, we have shared pool. Shared pool contain data dictionary cache, library cache. Okay. After that, database buffer cache. After that, redo log buffer. Okay. In the back, then we have your background process. After that, you have your SP file, which is your parameter file. Yeah. So parameter file, control files, data files, 𝐼𝐴 log, password files, right? Your online redo log files are also there. Okay. So some people may ask you about, okay, can you tell me about the location of SP file? So what is that?
Location of the SP file, Oracle home DBS location.
Oracle home DBS location. Okay. What is the location of password file?
Password file is DBS location.
Same location,
Yes.
right?
But Aura PWD utility.
Aura PW is the utility to create a password file if you want to do that. Okay. But the default location is?
DBS location.
What password file store?
Store the password of the sys and system user.
So whatever the DBA users you have now, like sys is a user, right? He is a DB user. That user password is available under your password file. Correct. So likewise, you may get lot of interview questions. See, the questions which I ask, it's quite simple, very basics. Okay. but I would suggest, like, you need to focus on your two things. One is like your communication, second one is your confidence. Okay, I think you have a knowledge, but you scared to deliver that. Okay, so just focus on it, do some little bit practice, and the confidence will come automatically as soon as you know the answer and you are doing a lot of practice. Okay, so just keep watching our YouTube channel, and whatever things we are taking it in the class, you just need to brush up it. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
and you can also watch the other YouTube channels also, because getting a knowledge from different YouTube channel is good for you. Even I'm also doing the same thing. Okay, thank you.